Hi, friends! Welcome back to English Smart Practice. Today, we're going to learn English through a short story.
Listen, speak, and practice real conversations. Finally, we'll explain the most important words and phrases.
Story. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm excited to share one of my best vacations with you. My first step was to get from the airport to my hotel and get settled. Follow me as I tell you step by step how my day went. After leaving the airport, I needed to get to my hotel. The easiest way was by taxi.
Hello, do you need a taxi?
Yes, please. Can you take me to the Ocean View Hotel?
Of course. Do you have luggage?
Yes, just this suitcase and backpack.
No problem. Please put them in the trunk.
Thanks. How long will it take to get there?
Around 25 minutes, depending on traffic.
Okay, great. How much will it cost?
It should be about $35.
That's fine. Let's go. The ride was smooth. I looked out the window and saw palm trees, shops, and the beautiful blue sky. I felt excited for my first day on the island. Finally, I arrived at the hotel. It looked beautiful from the outside, and I couldn't wait to see my room.
Good evening. Welcome to the Ocean View Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Sarah Miller.
Let me check. Yes, here it is. You've booked a single room for 10 nights.
That's correct.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is. Thank you.
Here's your room key card. You are in room 304 on the 3rd floor. The elevator is on your left.
Great, thank you. Could you tell me what time breakfast is served?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. in the dining room on the ground floor.
Perfect. And do you have Wi-Fi in the rooms?
Yes, just enter the password written on this card.
Wonderful. Thanks a lot. I took the elevator to my room, opened the door, and looked around. It was cozy, bright, and from the window, I could see the ocean waves. I felt so happy to finally be here. After settling in, I wanted to visit the beach. I decided to ask a local for directions. Excuse me, how do I get to the beach?
It's very close. Walk straight down this street for about 10 minutes, then turn left. You'll see signs for the beach.
Great, thank you so much.
No problem. Enjoy your time.
I followed the directions, and soon I could hear the sound of the ocean and smell the salty air. The beach was more beautiful than I imagined. Before I could relax, I needed to rent a beach umbrella and a chair.
Hi there. Would you like to rent a chair or an umbrella today?
Yes, please. I'd like one umbrella and a beach chair.
No problem. That will be $15 for the day.
Here you go. Do you also rent surfboards?
Yes, we do. $20 per hour. Would you like one?
Maybe tomorrow. For today, just the umbrella and chair.
All right. You can set them up anywhere you like on the sand.
Perfect. Thank you. I set up my umbrella and chair and sat down to enjoy the sunshine. The beach was full of people swimming, surfing, and relaxing. I wanted to try everything, but for now, just enjoying the view was perfect. After a while, I felt hungry. Luckily, there was a small cafe right on the beach.
Good afternoon. Can I take your order?
Yes, I'd like a tropical fruit smoothie, please.
Sure. We have pineapple, mango, or passion fruit. Which one would you like?
Mango, please.
Great choice. Would you like something to eat with that?
Yes, a chicken sandwich, please.
All right. Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Perfect. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
I sat under the shade, sipping my cold smoothie and eating my sandwich. The day had been perfect. From arriving at the hotel, taking a taxi, visiting the beach, to enjoying delicious food, I felt relaxed and truly happy to be on this beautiful island.
Words and phrases.
Luggage. Suitcases and bags that you carry when you are traveling. Example. I carried my luggage from the airport to the taxi.
Trunk. The back space of a car where you can put bags, suitcases, etc. Example. The taxi driver put my luggage in the trunk.
Palm trees. Tall tropical trees with big leaves at the top, often found near beaches. Example. I walked along the street lined with palm trees. Reservation. When you book a hotel room, table, or seat in advance. Example. I made a reservation at the hotel. Key card. A plastic card used to open a hotel room door. Example, the receptionist gave me my key card.
Elevator. A machine that takes people up or down in a building. Example, I took the elevator to the 3rd floor.
Rent. To pay money to use something for a short time. Example, I rented a beach chair for the day.
Surfboard. A long board used for surfing on the ocean. Example, many people were carrying surfboards at the beach.
Set up. Arrange or put something in position. Example, Sarah set up her umbrella and chair on the sand. Under the shade. In a cool place away from the sun. Example, I sat under the shade and drank my smoothie. Sip. To drink something slowly in small amounts. Example, she was sipping her tea while reading a book.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.